Hi friends, so in this video let's learn about how to find common and unique elements between two sets of data. Okay, so friends, here already I do have one class with name learn collections. So first of all, let create two list of data type string. So let's proceed. List string. Uh, List name is first list equal to arrays dot as select the method as list. Now I am writing the, suppose we do have Indian cities name here. They are Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore. So friends, these are the names of the main. These are the main cities name in India. Okay, so let's define another list with name second list. List of data type string. Name of the list is second list as dot as list. Okay, now let's pass the city's name here. These two names are common here, Delhi and Bombay, so I am copying that. Okay, the third name will be Lucknow, 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 and the last city is Hyderabad, Hyderabad. Okay, so friends, first of all let's import the necessary interfaces and classes by clicking on the list. Okay, now just save the code. Now friends, I am going to create one set with name same, which will store the common elements between the two lists. Okay, so let's proceed. Set of string data type. Name of the set will be same, equal to new hash set diamond operator, and pass the list name. Our first list name is first list. Okay, import the hash set and set interface. Now friends, let's call the method return all on second list. Same dot return all second list. So friends, what we have done here, we have used here retain all method to find and keep only the students that are also present in second list. Okay. Now friends, let's write the code to print the common cities. Okay. Pass the set name here as set. Okay. And save the code. Friends, let's proceed. Now create a set name. Create a set with name unique to store unique elements from both lists. Let's continue. Set of string data type. Name of the set will be unique. Okay. Equal to new hash set. Now let's use add all method. Okay. So we will have to call that method on both lists to get the unique elements. Okay. So let's do that. Unique dot add all. Unique dot add all of the first list name as first list, and again we have to call method add all clean and pass here the second list. Okay. Now friends, we have to remove the common elements from the unique set. So we are going to use now remove all method. Okay. So unique dot remove all. This method will remove the common elements. Pass the set here. Pass the set name here same. Okay. Fine friends. Now friends, let's uh, write code to get the output, unique output. So pass the message here as unique cities are plus write the set name here unique. Okay. So friends, we are now done with our code. Now let's print our code to get the output for unique and common cities. To get the output as unique and common cities. So friends, let's run our code. Now friends, you can see that our common cities are Delhi and Bombay. Delhi, Bombay. Okay, and unique cities are Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Chennai, Jaipur, Pune, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So friends, in this way, we can find common and unique elements between two sets of data using this add all, remove all method in Java. So friends, I do hope that you understand very well about the finding the common and unique elements. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please add value to my video. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video.